Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the warranty status for your Dell Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. So there are several ways to do that. We can either use the Dell support website in order to find your warranty status there. You're gonna have to check the service tag of your laptop, which should be printed on the label on the back side of your laptop. And in order to enter this website, let's open the web browser. Let's go to the search engine and let's search for Dell warranty check. Then you have to go to support services and warranty on the dell.com/support/contact services/your country. And then you have to enter this service tag into this field or detect this PC automatically. Now, alternatively, you can also install the Dell SupportAssist application, which you can also find on the Dell website. So just select SupportAssist for home PCs here. Then download SupportAssist. You will download the installer, run the installer. It will install the program automatically on your laptop, and then you'll have to run this program. Once you run this program, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see this laptop's icon, and here you'll be able to see your warranty data at the very top. Unfortunately for me, it doesn't show the support services, probably because this laptop was purchased from a different country, and I don't get any support services in mine. So yeah, but that's where you check your warranty. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.